YouTube, what's the deal? It's your boy Wale 2 times, aka Celebrity Cuts LLC, and today we're back with another haircut transformation. Now guys, I am recording on my iPhone, so excuse the quality. Before every haircut, you want to comb out the hair in the direction it grows in, and we are going in with a 1.5. I believe it's open to closed, and we are going with the grain in the direction that the hair grows in. Guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this video to the algorithm, and also comment your honest opinions and thoughts of what I could do to get better, because as a barber, the only thing you could really strive for is trying to get better. If you're not trying to get better, you might as well just stay basic, you know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to thrive, I'm trying to strive as a barber. I'm not trying to be the same as I was yesterday. So guys, please drop a comment on your honest thoughts and opinions on how I did on the cut. Alright guys, we're going open to close with our 1.5 guard. Now we switch to our 0.5 guard. Starting off closed to open, and just blending in that line little by little. Gradually, it's all coming together. And guys, like, you don't have to rush your fades. You know, you could be like me. I like to take my time. Approximately, it takes me about 30 minutes to cut hair. And yeah, so going in with that 0.5 guard. And if you've been following my channel for a while now, you'll know that I use two different 0.5 guards. The one that I just had in my hand, that one is more like non-flat, and I don't know if you'll even understand what non-flat even means, because I sure don't. But basically, it just, the way it blends, it just gives more of a blurrier blend. You got to see it to know what I'm talking about. Also guys, if y'all could do me a favor and follow my Instagram page at Celebrity Cuts LLC, and I would really appreciate that, because I've been trying to grow that page for the longest now. And if you're a content creator like myself, you understand that, like, it's kind of hard making content, but we not complaining over here. I'm just saying, follow my Instagram.
Running up north.
Alright guys, so like right here, what I'm doing is I'm checking both sides, if the left and the right sides are faded the way that I want them to be. Typically for my low fades, I like to give more room so that C-cup could really show. Alright guys, so to start the neck taper, what I like to do first is comb out the hair in the direction it grows, and then give like a finger's width for the first guideline, and then I'll go up with my trimmers. My trimmers about half of a finger's width for just to get that line out. I just get that line out like immediately. Then I go up halfway closed with the clippers, and then to take out that bottom line, I go in. I'm sorry, I didn't take out that bottom line just yet. I went up with my clippers all the way open, and then I took my 1.5 guard, I closed it, and gradually opening it. Chat, I want to say shout out Star Season for this amazing beat before it goes out. If you guys want cool beats like this one, follow my boy Star at Star, that's STAR.SZN. My boy is nice with the beats. And following up this service with a hot towel plus massager after putting some shaving cream on my client. And it's really, really necessary that you wipe the client's hair and skin with the hot towel so that we can add the hair mousse and lay the hair down. And guys, right here, I'm adding that alcohol all over his hairline right before I add that Tresemme level 5 holding spray. Yeah, y'all need to put that got to be glued down, because that level 5 Tresemme is not the one to play with. I mean that. Put that got to be down. All right, now guys, starting the shape up on the right side, and as you guys can see, my boy has a inside out widow's peak there up at the top. So just trying to use my barber knowledge and like blend that in as much as possible so that you don't notice it. And I think that's the challenge that I always have with cutting my client. So using that Barber Magic pencil, and some people don't like it, I don't care. My client likes it, and he's been coming back for the past 5-6 years now. So yeah, using those trimmers to erase that bottom line off, and the cut is looking fire so far. Now going over with the clippers to make that fade even blurrier. That's how you get that extra tip money. Gotta make that blend as blurry as possible. Make the cut HD. You know what I'm saying? It's 2024. We need to start making HD haircuts. Like, invest in your tools. Like get more HD haircuts for real. Like, this is not no old generation. Like, we need sharper haircuts. All right. Now attacking that left side after I've covered that inside out widow's peak. And guys, please tell me if I push my client back, because I'm not perfect as a barber, and this is how I get better. So guys, so recently I went to the Asake concert. If you know me, you know that I'm Nigerian, and you know that I love Afro beats. And guys, when I'm telling you, I was drunk, bro. Like, I hate to say it, I was so, like, I was too gone. Like, how I made it back home, I don't even know. Like, bro, I was too lit, bro. Like, hey, like I think like I'm taking a break on this type of life, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm getting back on my shit, you know what I'm saying? I need to go back to the gym cuz you know what I'm saying? Like, bruh, I was too gone, bro. Like I shouldn't have been that gone. You know what I'm saying? But hey, look, shout out me because you know what I'm saying, I'm a barber and I get to get cuts when I need to. Cause I went to that concert looking sharp. Like I wasn't tripping about wearing a hat. Like I didn't need to wear a hat. You know what I'm saying? Like my cut was looking sharp. You feel me? I feel so sorry for the people who are not a barber because I can cut my hair or I get one of these barbers to cut me in the shop and I'm be straight. But as y'all know, I got my boy Sharp, you know what I'm saying? I got my boy Dipping or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But look, let me tell y'all about my journey about being a barber, you feel me? Like, it ain't always just about the haircut itself, it's about the service that you provide, the influence that you bring to these kids, man. When you working in a barbershop, the barbershop would teach you ethics, you know what I'm saying? Barber ethics, you feel me? You need to learn certain things in a barber, like how to maintain clientele. That's something like you can't learn on your own. So yeah, like if you want better experience as a barber, make sure you get yourself into a barber shop. Like don't be like me and be like ego centered and trying to, you know, do all the cool stuff on Instagram. Like trust me, like that stuff is cool, but like learn the basics, like learn what you gotta learn, cause this is a real trade and a real discipline, and you could make some real solid connections and real solid bread. So, chat, a good way of lining up the beard is you can ask your client to blow a bubble in his cheek. Pause, no diddy, didn't know how that came off. But you can ask your client to blow a bubble in his cheek and line it up for a wider beard. And as you can see, I'm pulling the skin as I'm shaping up that beard. It's really, really important that anytime you are even shaping something up, that you stretch the skin for more tension and, of course, you know, sharper line and whatnot. And it's obvious, and of course, make sure that you don't bruise your client while doing this in the process, because that can happen. Trust me, it can happen.
Running up north.
All right, guys, that's it on the cut. Lastly, I'm just using my clippers to remove any straggly hairs that's on top. And yeah, the face is looking real crisp. It's looking real blurry. Going in with my shears. They're not called scissors. They are called shears. And adding some alcohol. I had to double it. You know what I'm saying? Double glicked up. You know what I'm saying? Man, it's looking sharp. You feel me? Feel me? Real. This is a real haircut. You feel me? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this video on the algorithm. And y'all, we're about to hit 7K. Thank y'all so much. Long time coming. Make sure you click the link in my bio on any social media platform to book a haircut. And that's a wrap. I'm out. Peace.